Welcome to SkillZone, the place where we turn everyday skills into amazing creations. Here you'll find clever DIY hacks, jaw-dropping tips, and tricks that make life easier and more fun. So buckle up and let's dive in. Give the vinyl some heat, and it bends exactly how you want. A few clean cuts, and the curve falls into place. Skill pays off. When it's time to shape straight material, accurate measurements do the heavy lifting. Metal reinforcement, solid concrete. This countertop is engineered to endure and look good doing it. PVC pipes make it possible to build unique structures that are waterproof and lightweight. This method stamps a brick-like pattern into new concrete, delivering the same look at a fraction of the cost. This hanging sifter cleans sand using gravity alone, no power required. By using a vehicle to pull cables, this technique turns a tough electrical job into a simple task. Massive pipes built to move water everywhere, no cap. Dome structures go up in no time. Prefab frames deliver sweeping curves fast. Transform a boring ceiling into a circus tent playroom. This texture trick uses duct tape to wow the eye. Struggle with hanging lights? This life hack has you covered. Create one-of-a-kind lampshades with balloons and expanding foam. The result: organic shapes no store-bought design can match. Mark wood with a template for even cuts and faster workflow. A clever tool tweak that grows your working arsenal and cuts costs at the same time. Use bucket guides to drill angled holes with perfect precision every time. Skip paint messes. This easy trick saves time and frustration. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink. It cleans toilets, removes rust, and even helps with car dents. Tired of messy chargers? Listen to your inner perfectionist and make this simple, handy DIY cord organizer. Tackle stubborn weeds fast. Just grab a grinder and a pair of clamps. Drilling walls can be messy, but this simple trick keeps dust under control. This pencil trick is so amazing, you'll want to watch it again and again. This tire becomes a chair, designer-level style, no kidding. One line, total precision. Trust your tape measure. Drilling makes a mess? Toss in some ice and watch the dust disappear. Witness the earth bag dome building hack, where soil-filled bags are stacked in decreasing circles and fire-hardened. Want the coolest flower pots on the block? This DIY idea is for you. Imagine your neighbors' faces when they see them. No stove, no problem. A brick and 2 cans become a portable gas stove in the hands of a true craftsman. This kind of masonry demands top-notch skill and experience. The master earns our respect. Modern problems call for modern solutions. Firewood rack in under a minute. Yes, really. Watch him tackle winter like a pro. This snow machine clears the way in seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out more awesome videos from SkillZone.